place says Clarksville Modern Dentistry as opposed to Clarksville Arcane Dentistry, Ancient Dentistry. They use a hammer and a chisel on your teeth. Well, I mean, it's a picnic bench. Might as well hang out. I see a cop up here. Keep me out of trouble. It's at the cruise control. Nice. What's up, guys and girls? Out doing a road test. Got a new windshield for the bike. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like my old one, but I needed something just a little bit different. The old one does great in cooler weather, but in hot weather it just doesn't let enough air hit the top of the helmet to suck out all the stale air that builds up in it. So I got this. It is a Klock Werks 10.5 inch shield, clear. I'll show you my other shorter one that's more opaque. I think it's called dark smoke. Tends to block the camera, so I want to clear, so even if it blocks the camera, it's not that big of a deal. I got the camera mounted on my chin bar, so you probably get a little distortion off the hips of the, they call it the hips of the windscreen. So let's see, got an 11.5 inch shield. Got this one at 10.5 inches. I think the other one's like 6 or 8.5 inches. Those are all Klock Werks. And I got the stock windshield that came with the bike, used only on occasion. And then the one I bought when I bought the bike, which is taller, actually flares out on the side, but it doesn't have any kind of shaping to it, so there's no distortion. So what the temperature is right now. This morning it was like 82. It's still 82. Got the visor up, sun shades down on the Shoei Neotec II helmet. See, this event that I have in June, I need the Neotec II. Somebody doing a lot of filming, I believe. Plus I added a Cena to the Neotec II. The one that I think it's called the SRL. It's built for the Neotec II. Got this clear shield at a discount because it had a blemish. Don't think think you'll see where the blemish is. I'm not going to say where the blemish is or what the blemish is.